let's talk about like your upbringing with your parents. I mean, obviously you're a hell of a successful business owner and entrepreneur. Are you coming from descendants of entrepreneurism, or is that something that you're the first generation to step into that seat?
I'm the first generation. My parents didn't know anything about business. Uh, my mom, but my mom was a bold person out of necessity,
Hmm.
and she became the first female life insurance salesperson in the state that I grew up in. Um, and she was always pushing boundaries because her dad died at 6, the family home burned down at 17, and then like and then she met my dad and was like, this guy's gonna save me. Right, like he's gonna they were living with neighbors at the time because the house had burned down. And she meets this dashing guy, and they get married, and they encounter a lot of difficulty right away. But he was a mail carrier and she was an insurance salesperson, but she was the bold one. But she was always pushing me too hard. She was shoving me into the discomfort zone, and I just kept retreating. It's like, call my friend. She would think I could just call her friends, like pick up the phone and dial, get so and so on the phone. It's like I was her secretary, and I couldn't do it. It's like, I don't want to talk to this woman. I don't know this woman. I can't dial. I'm not doing it. Instead, she didn't know anything else except to just be bold, because that's how she had to move through the world.
Hmm.
Um, but she had me on the accelerated track, and I wasn't ready.
Hmm.
So I became shy as a result. This is what happens. You either have bold parents that are a great example to you and don't push you too fast, or you go the other way because you go like, I can't do that. I don't know how the hell they're doing it. That's too much. I'm overwhelmed. And that's, you don't want to do that to your kids. Everybody has a different dosage, a different pace that they're going to build their boldness muscle, but anybody can build it. You want to build it at a pace where there's those rewards, there's the positive feedback loop of just, wow, I didn't know that was going to happen. I just smiled at those people and they all smiled back. I said hi to those people and they just said hi. I complimented this person and she said, oh, that's the nicest thing I've ever heard. And you think, that's the nicest thing you've ever heard? Uh, Good for me. you know
Yeah.
but that's when somebody does that. I think in the book I talk about telling this woman who had this bright yellow dress on, a black woman, and like black women look amazing in bright yellow, and so I just told her that, I said, you just look stunning in that dress. I mean, that color is working so well for you. And she said, oh, thank you so much, because I woke up feeling really kind of down today, and I thought, if I just put on a bright color, maybe it'll help.
Hmm.
And it, just me saying that to her, just telling her that worked, changed her whole day. What a great gift I gave myself by doing that. I didn't need any more from her. I lifted her up from what I didn't know was a
Hmm.
low place. She looked like super comfortable bouncing around in a yellow dress, but she wasn't. She was feeling low.
Hmm.
And I boosted her up. What a great thing to get to do.